good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Kicking It with Coda. Today's video is a little bit different. We got a special guest.
This is Ian Miles. You can find me on Instagram at I'mSneaker574. Hit me up. I got all kinds of size 12, other sizes too, but just let me know what you're looking for.
We'll have a link to his IG down in the description. Today's video, we got our first ever beater box.
Oh man.
Comes from Soul Steels. This is a $900 beater box, and what was it? Oh, $40 shipping. So total price was $940. We actually split the price on this. You guys don't gotta do everything by yourself, man. Find somebody you trust. We did this together. Look, we did this together. We're gonna split this together.
But, see what kind of heat we can find.
Man, let's hope for some good stuff.
Let's get in it.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's open this up. Okay, first thing I noticed, there are no shoes without boxes. That's a good thing, first off.
Nice.
You want to grab first? Or wait, how you want to do this?
Yeah, go for it.
You want me to grab and you look
I'm
up prices?
Sounds good.
Okay, so I'm going to grab the shoes, he's going to look up the prices, and we'll throw a counter probably in the middle here. Okay, so first up we have a size 9.5 Adidas NMD. See the tag on that. And this is the triple black, I want to say. You guys see that? Not sure exactly what this is. I'm not a big NMD guy.
What size did you say that was?
This is a 9.5. I'm going to hand this off to him. See if this is the one. And I think those were DS, right?
Yeah, they look pretty.
Maybe damaged box.
But they look pretty DS to me.
So we're gonna throw probably about $100 up there. Okay, on to the next one. Ooh. This is I guess this technically would be my size. This is a women's NMD Trail Prime Knit. Size 11.5 women's. See that there? Again. Another DS. Actually, don't mind this colorway right here. This would be cool, you know.
That is pretty clean though.
Nice 4th of July, you know. Trump's not president no more. We can go back. I think we can go back to wearing this. Kidding. Hey, I'm joking.
But I'm not finding them though. You said it was the NMD.
These are, is this some type of collab? I'm gonna pass him off the shoe. Maybe he can look up the style code. If you want to look up the style code there.
Oh, okay.
And when we figure that out, we'll throw that price up there. Next. What do we got? Nike basketball box. Next up, we have a size 10.5. This is a KD7. What do we got? I don't know anything about KDs, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Unless it's a Ant Pearl. Well, what do we hit? Unless it's an Ant Pearl, right? Hey. That's the only ones I know. And these appear to be maybe try it on.
I would say on these Adidas too, there's not a whole lot up on StockX, but there's a 12 that sold for $280. But really, I mean, I don't know. I don't know about $280.
These might be tried on. KD 7 and pearls. Size 10.5. Yeah. That's a little better.
You said this one was a 10.5?
Yes, it's a 10.5.
Oh, nice. That's those are doing a little better.
Okay.
Yeah,
There we go. I can take that. Throw that up there on the counter.
Yeah.
Okay. Next up, we have. You guys, don't roast me, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce this right. We have the.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Onitsuka.
Onitsuka.
Yeah.
Onitsuka Tiger
Yeah.
in a size 7. Size 7. Can you guys see that? Focus in on that. Okay. Onitsuka Tiger. I don't know. Here we go. Let's go do this real quick. Get the. Yep. I mean, hey, it's DS. It's DS. We'll get it sold. So I mean, so far I'm pretty sure almost all the shoes have been DS or tried on.
Yeah.
You want to look that one up? I mean, it can't be more than $50, right, guys?
Yeah, there's a couple close colors. I'm gonna check this.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna get that price and we'll throw that up on the counter. We got 2 shoes left, guys. 2 shoes. Let's pull this ones out. You guys want to see these? I think we all know what these are. Pretty cool, right? So these are the Adapt BBs, men's size 11. This is my first time actually seeing these. How do I take this case?
Little ding on the box there.
Slight damage to the box. So, how do these? Okay, once I figure out how to open these. Okay, guys, I got it.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Nice. Those are clean.
And these are DS. Man, so far, I think this whole box almost has been DS. These are cool. These are cool.
That's a size 11.
And this is a size 11.
So,
solid. Throw that up on the counter there.
Yep. Not too bad.
You want to take this box?
I haven't seen these in person yet either.
Yeah, take a look at those. Let me know what you think about those. They're different, right?
Yeah.
Would you rock them?
I don't know, man. The whole Back to the Future thing with the. I feel like I'm in.
I feel like I would want, if they were my size, I would want to try them.
Yeah.
I don't know if I would keep
I
them.
agree. I want to try them. I want to see what it feels like.
But so the last shoe in the box. Another damaged box here, but not sure exactly what in the hell these are.
Some kind of.
These aren't what I thought they were. So these are. Take a look at the box. They are the Nike Vaporfly 4% Flyknit in a men's 9.5. You again, another DS shoe. I don't know why. From down here, it looked like it could have been an Off-White, but it's not. It's not. But still, another solid DS shoe in a 9.5.
Yeah.
You got a price in a 9.5. What we're looking at. Not bad.
Yeah, it's not too
bad.
bad.
Okay. Throw that up here on the counter.
Yeah.
Overall, what do you think about the box?
Man, I was kind of like, the adapts were nice. That was a cool find, that for sure. But I was kind of hoping for like an Off-White something, or like something hot. But that adapt's nice. Overall, it was a decent box. Everything DS.
Everything DS. I was kind of personally hoping for at least some type of retro, but you know, I mean, hey, every box is different.
Yo.
Still solid profit in the box. We'll get that all tallied up here, and
have you seen anything you like? Let us know.
Once again, what's your IG?
You can hit me up at I'm Sneaker 574. Message me on there. Anything you need, anything you're looking for, just let me know.
And you can hit me up at Kodas. That's KODAS _kicks on IG. Yep, and that's gonna do it. Until next time, you guys.